So as you may know, California was just hit with some horrible destructive fires, and the good people at Christopher John Rogers were nice enough to open their archives for sales that would benefit the firefighters in California. So I was like, who am I to not shop? So I shopped. It's what I know how to do. I bought this lovely shirt. I already unboxed it. Just a little shirt. La 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 la. To and fro. It's very carefree. Do you see any care? Nope. Then I got this sweater. Very cute. It's blue. Christopher John Rogers. And then you kind of like tie this right here. So it's just like open in the middle. It's very sexy, very alluring. I can't put it on because I have makeup and a wig on and this hole is too small, which is something no one has ever said to me. So do you ever go shopping with a friend and they're like, ooh, I like that purse. I'm gonna get that purse. I'm gonna get that purse. And then they don't get that purse. And then you go back the next day and you get the purse. And then they're like, oh, I was gonna get that purse. I was like, well, you didn't. And you had time. So what did I do? I got that purse. Vintage Versace. Very that girl. 90s Versace. Oh, and it goes with my outfit. God is everywhere. Look, you'll see her. We also got a cute little sweater vest. So cute. I wore it on the cruise. Look at that picture there. I just went on a great cruise, biggaycruise.com. Not Atlantis, because they like to book rapists. Gorgeous. Just V-neck. Love it. Yes, too. Oh, this is like Scooch City. Just a little scoochy bolero with the even more scoochified little bodysuit. And I'm wearing it to the premiere of Unconventional, which is happening in a couple hours. So then we're gonna take that video and put it in this video, and oh my God.
He's like,
Hi, oh my gosh, cameras where? At the Unconventional premiere?
Oh, wait, here we go. Oh, wait, you.
Sorry, I have to go be so famous. Let's go, Late.
We're gonna be so famous.
So famous, so famous. Not too much. You don't want to go wear all her lipstick. Look how good I look. So we're wearing Christopher John Rogers, Tom Ford from the outlet, and vintage 90s Versace. Any notes?
You look beautiful.
Thank you, you're right. Oh my God, in Australia, I learned about this brand called Sandro. Let me tell you, baby. These jeans, oh, that's a skirt, never mind. This is a skirt, falda. All crystals, Crystal City, baby. As you know, me and many of my friends, like Courtney, love crystal. So, crystal. And we got the jeans too, because it's just a good idea. Mix and match, separates, lovely. And then since we were here, we got the shirt. The shirt is great. Just very like, Canadian tuxedo, all fucking crystalled. So beautiful. Some of the girls like to sparkle. We got a sickening Sandro shirt too. Look at this. These are prong set, baby. Prong set. Good shit. Well, the big ones are prong set. The little ones aren't. But so cute. Like as a boy or a girl or a non-binary. Oh, by the way, I'm coming out as non-binary because it's good for my career. I was like, oh, is that a bandwagon? Let me jump on it. I love bands and wagons. This is very cute. Sandro. Very Sandro Bay. Sandro shorts. Let's roll them down. Very Sandro Bay. Very. And we got some jeans. These are from Acne, and they're actually like sequins that are printed because they're not real jeans. They're that. Look at how the pocket is like, there's like a shadow of a pocket, and then the actual pocket. That's called trompe-l'oeil, I think. It's gorgeous. I'm into it. Now we got some other stuff. Oh, the people at Double Scorpio are so good to me. Oh, stickers, Double Scorpio. Sorry, Chad, but girl, bye. See them stains? That's not piss, that's love potion. This is from Sunday School, and it's a collaboration that Kimchi did with these Sunday School people, whoever they are. And what they do is they make flowers for you. Oh, they're edibles. Oh, they have 3 different ones. Mochi to elevate, mochi to start, mochi to melt. Okay. Thank you, Kim. I love edibles. What is this? It's called Beam. What could Beam be about? It wouldn't be about like a ceiling support, but that's the only thing I could think of when I think of Beam. Oh, like sunlight beaming in, maybe like a sunbeam. It said, you just made wellness one less thing to think about. I guess it's for wellness. Let's see. The fuck is this? That is the tiniest dildo I've ever seen. I could use it as a Barbie doll stand, at least if I don't. Oh, good. Trash. This is called Nighttime Blend to support better sleep. Oh, it's got CBD, reishi, which is a mushroom that helps you sleep. And they gave us this thing to like stir it up. That's what it is. It's a stir. Stir-em-a-boop. Thank you, Beam. I don't really have trouble sleeping. After a nut, I'm out. And there's tree nuts in that, so I'll be out. Ooh, things from Brisbane. Oh, we just had the best tour down there. Alaska Talks. It was so fun. What did I get? I don't know what that is. The fuck is that? That's ugly. Oh, I got a Wigs by Vanity because I was in Australia. Oh, so beautiful. Wait till you see me in this. I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to show you my Wigs by Vanity in a minute. Oh, this is some other denim stuff I bought before I saw the good denim stuff from Sandro. This is fairly ugly. It's very ugly. It's very sister wife. I'll probably fuck it up and do something to it, but... Oh, yeah. I got a hair clip. And then I got a purse. Which I think I'm going to make a bikini out of. You know? That would be a cute bikini. Oh, I saved the best for last, y'all. Big box. Big box, big box. Oh, you know what? Let me show you some other stuff first. This is my new favorite makeup brand. They're called Mud or Mob. Mob, sorry. They have the cutest colors. Look at these cream eyeshadows. That's a lavender. They have like a good powder blue that I've been wearing a lot. It's like that color blue. It's so perfect. They have good highlighters. My favorite thing is this pencil. It's called M1990. And this pencil is a dupe for Spice in the 90s, my favorite MAC pencil. It's so good. I'll show you the color. It's such a perfect tone on everybody. I've never seen Spice look bad on anybody. This is called M1990, and I recommend that you get it. And it's so nice to like put on something that you put on when you first started doing drag, and you're like, oh, now that I actually bought some lips, it'll like look better. So that's what I did. So Mob Beauty, check them out. They have really great products. A highlighter, this peachy highlighter, I've already used it. It's really good. Everything, I'm very happy with them. These lipsticks, very like that color with on the Spice. Ooh, baby, get into it. Okay, these creamy creams, this teals, this aqua, the lavender, the olive, honey, the gold, the shimmers, the black sheer. These lips are really great. These pencils, they're so close to Spice 90s. I feel like I'm like in junior high again, honestly, stealing MAC. The blue, oh bitch, this sheer black, it's that one. And then these, that's like Spice. That is Spice 100%. It's called M1990. Ugh, I love. Time for the Marc Jacobs. I love this box. Ooh, this bag. Yes, honey. Good little bag. I've been waiting to get these for years. And they finally went on sale, so I was like, I deserve this. Right? Oh, and there's a zipper, because I was just like 12 hooks. I was like, I'm not trying these on. But now I will try them on. I'll show you. I'm not one of those girls that can't take off her shoes because her toenails aren't painted. As long as you have more than 3 out of 5 of them done, you're good. Those 2, then they rubs off because of my shoes. And the other 2, it's grown out 4 weeks. And yes, I need to fill, but it's better than some of y'all crusted, bustin' looking crustacean primate feet. I've seen some of y'all girls. You belong in National Geographic, not National Enquirer. Oh, yes. That foot just slid right in there like a community cum dump. This shoe is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. If you're watching this video, you are looking at that. Oh, so good. Just a good little boot, you know? Good to have a good boot. And this is it. I am all about this boot. Like, this boot is for spring. You can do fall, winter, summer. So these are my things. Am I excessive? Yes. Am I extravagant? No. This is like work clothes for me. Like, I need these things. If anybody wants to borrow any of these things, I have the sign out sheet available. Please feel free to try to become my friend, and maybe I'll let you wear some of them. No, never mind. I won't. Bye.